How to connect Instagram to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you connect Instagram to Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, simply tap on your profile icon. Now from your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. From settings and activity, tap on account center. Now from here, tap on profiles. From the section, tap on add accounts. Or let tap on continue. Now from here, if you have not added your Facebook account yet, you can get the option for add Facebook account. Simply from there, you'll have to just add your Facebook account with your username and password. After that, that Facebook account will be added on your Instagram profile. After that, you'll be able to connect your Instagram and Facebook at once and you can post it together and continuously. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.